Hi, welcome to my channel Tarot Astro. This is me, Pooja Likha. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Uh, Today read is about career guidance or career related some messages which maybe you need to know right now. And today I am doing according to the zodiac signs. So this is for the Aries. So Aries people, this pile is for you. Next is for Taurus, and this is for Gemini. Today we are doing three zodiac signs. What you need to know related to your career, or maybe you are facing some challenges, or maybe you need to decide something upon. So this video is for you. According to your zodiac, choose your pile, right, and take the guidance. One thing is very miraculous, very beautiful, very wonderful about tarot. Anytime if you get some video related, maybe you are in some mind-boggling situation, maybe you are facing some challenges and you're not getting answers from your, then and suddenly you get a video of tarot, then maybe that through that video universe want to convey you some messages. And maybe in your career right now you are facing some challenges, and universe want to tell you something. So watch this video, hope you will get some answers from this. So Arian people, let's start with your reading. Your first card is the Lovers, second card is King of Swords, and the guidance card is Shaman, Trust and Higher Forces. Okay, maybe you are in some dual situation you are facing this time. You have to decide upon this thing or not, and some duality you are facing. Maybe your heart says something and your mind says something, but this is the time you have to take a decision, and definitely keep your heart aside, and this time you have to take the very logical, very reasonable decision. And maybe that decision, you will feel like this, if I will go for this decision, that will give me a breakthrough or some more challenge. But no, this is the time to take the decision with your brain. Use your logical mind, and definitely it will give you a lot of mental clarity, and that would be surely is in your beneficial. Don't use your heart right now. This is not the right time to go with your emotions. Suppose your heart says to continue with this current job, but your mind says no, this is over, then your mind says you're right. And your guidance says Shaman, trust in your higher forces. Yeah, believe in your higher forces. You need to take a decision, and definitely somewhere your mind is guiding you right this time. And believe in your forces, your higher forces, your divine energies has decided something good for you, and believe in those forces. uh, right, so this is for Aries. Next for Taurus, Death, Hermit and the Medicine Mother. Okay, you are facing some challenges, you are facing some transformations, maybe some old chapters are closing this time, maybe some old patterns are closing this time. Maybe you are into some job and you are facing lot of changes in that. And though the changes which are coming right now is absolutely inevitable. You cannot change the pattern, you cannot uh, change it according to you. And but this is the time to I must say to this is that because of these challenges, might be you seclude yourself from the society. Maybe you are in sometime when we get so upset and we don't want to talk to anyone. Fine, that is fine. Very major period is going on with you Taurians in your career like things, and this is the time definitely you have secluded yourself from the society. You are secluded, you are in isolation. fine, but in this isolation time, utilize it, think deeply. Answers are definitely within yourself. And when you will meditate, when you will calm your mind, because you are not meeting with anyone, and this is a very perfect time when you think deeply about your challenges, about your phases which have just ended maybe, and the answers will come within you. You know so many things. And your guidance card says, medicine mother, honor your inner knowing. You have lot of things which you have known yourself, but maybe your mind is so clouded this time with all these changes which you faced recently. So just calm your mind, meditate for some time. Maybe you start meditating with 10 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour, whichever suited you the best. And answers you will get from yourself. And I must say, believe your gut feel. What your intuition is right now telling you is guiding you the best. And align yourself to your higher powers or spiritual, your guides. This time they are in the mode to help you through some intuitive messages. And try to listen those messages, try to apply them, because this time, this is the guidance also. Honor your inner knowing. So it's all about Taurians. Believe and trust yourself. And now for Gemini people, this is Nine of Wands, King of Pentacles, Warrior. Okay, you have already fought some battles maybe. So you were winning, you were also the winner, but this time you are fully exhausted with fighting with your things. Maybe you face so many challenges in your workplace, some politics type issues, but you have so much of courage every time you win over them. And but this time now you feel little exhausted, you just want to drop your last battle. But this battle, the phase you are facing from some time back, is soon will come to an end. Don't lose your heart. Stand grounded, because already you have won so many battles, so many challenges you have won over at your workplace. And don't lose your heart this time. And King of Pentacles says, stay grounded, be brave to face those challenges. That will definitely bring you stability in your life. This will bring you a lot of financial stability, mental stability, right? So don't lose your heart. Your things, the challenging thing will soon come to an end. Warrior, be fearless and stand strong. Your guidance card also says to be fearless, because this time maybe you are facing some fears in your time, because obviously time is challenging right now, and you are already in some challenging situation in your office, and you are like what will happen to my job, what will happen. Some fears are hovering over your mind, but be fearless. Spiritual guides, pray to your gurus, to pray to your gods, to whom you believe the most. Just surrender your fear in their feet. Just surrender your fear, and feel that calmness. Once we trust on some heavenly power, like I suppose if you believe on some gurus, just close your eyes, take a deep breath, and surrender all your fear which is hovering over your mind to the feet of your gurus, and then you feel the calmness. Really, I am telling you, this is the ultimate thing of losing your fear. And then you will feel like, wow, matlab, there is nothing wrong in my situation, everything will be fine very soon. So don't be fearful, be fearless, stand strong. You will definitely be a winner. You will get the stability, financial stability, mental stability. Everything is there. Abundance is there. Lots of abundance is there in your cards. But don't lose your heart. Gemini people, this is for you. This is for the first 3 zodiac sign. For next 3, you have to wait for my next video. And Hope you like this. Don't forget to like, share and comment